Enjoy the view of this 2022 Nissan Altima. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, remote engine start, keyless start, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.